and welcome to another episode of Language Lore, the podcast where I, Avira, talk you through the evolution of language and discuss it. Have you ever caught yourself speaking one way with your friends, but a completely different way in a job interview? Or maybe you've seen someone switch from one language to another mid-conversation. Well, my friend, you've just witnessed code switching in action. So, what exactly is code switching? Code switching, the process of shifting from one linguistic code, perhaps a language or a dialect, to another, depending on the social context or the conversational setting. I hear you. Why do people code switch? There's a few major reasons. Number one, fitting in and social identity. Code switching helps us connect with different groups of people. Think about how you talk to your best friend versus how you talk to your teacher. You're still you, but you adjust your tone, word choice, and even the pronunciation to match the setting. It's like having different outfits for different occasions, but with language. This happens a lot in multicultural and multilingual communities. If someone grows up speaking both Spanish and English, they might speak Spanglish with their friends, but switch to more formal English at work. It helps create a sense of belonging while also navigating different social spaces. Second, emphasizing a point or expressing emotion. Sometimes one language just hits harder than another. Maybe you're telling a dramatic story and switching to another language makes it more impactful. Or maybe some words just don't translate well, so code switching becomes the best way to get a message across. Ever notice how some people curse in different languages? It's often because the words carry a different emotional weight. Even bilingual speakers might feel more comfortable expressing deep emotions in one language over the other. Third, conveying authority or professionalism. There's something called situational code switching, where people shift their speech to sound more professional. Think about it. If you're giving a presentation at work, you might avoid slang and use more structured sentences. But once you're back with your coworkers or your friends, it's all casual again. This is especially common for people who speak African American vernacular English, Southern dialects, or other regional speech dialects. Many switch to standard English in professional settings to be taken more seriously. This isn't always fair, but it's a reality many people face in the regions they live. Fourth, avoiding discrimination or bias. Unfortunately, language can come with stereotypes. Some people code switch to avoid being judged or stereotyped based on the way they naturally speak. Studies have shown that certain accents and dialects can lead to biases in job interviews, customer service, and even the courtroom. Because of this, many people consciously shift their speech to fit into the standard or the dominant language norm. And finally, let's not forget that sometimes code switching is just plain fun. Switching between languages can add humor, creativity, and depth to conversations. It can be playful, strategic, or even just a way to keep certain conversations private in public spaces. Code switching is a linguistic superpower. It's far from being a sign of confusion or a lack of mastery. It actually shows a deep understanding of language and social cues, whether you're switching between English and Spanish, formal and informal speech, or different accents depending on who you're with. You're using language as a tool to navigate the world. So, the next time you catch yourself code switching, don't be surprised. Just know that you're flexing your linguistic muscles in a way that people have been doing for centuries. And that's a wrap for today's episode. If you like this discussion, make sure to follow Language Lore on Instagram and subscribe to the YouTube channel for more deep dives into the weird and wonderful world of language. Make sure to like and comment if you enjoyed this video. Until next time, this is Language Lore signing out.